So what I did was I cut a strip of felt in the shape of a rectangle, and then I placed it along my yellow fabric to see where I was going to cut. So I lined it along the edge of the yellow fabric, placed some glue from the hot glue gun on it, and then I placed it down and cut out the shape based on that.
I feel like they tricked me with the Calypso, like they inject it straight in my blood. Whoa, whoa, yo. Calypso is who stopped me from reaching my ultimate goal. Cause I get hooked on it like it's drugs. Yeah, I know all I want in life is soca. It's like they want to pay me with this thing they call soca. Look what it do, super.
So here I am cutting out that strip with the fabric. I'm using fabric scissors that I got at Joann's Fabric, because before I was just using regular scissors and it wasn't working too well for me. I am in no way a professional. I do like to do arts and crafts, so this was a fun little project for the event that I was going to. And fabric scissors definitely work way better. They're way more effective. So here I am placing some rhinestones down that I got from AliExpress. They took about 3 to 4 weeks, I would say, to come in, so it's a pretty long wait, but they were pretty cheap, and I got 500 in a pack, and the link will be listed. So I just placed them down a line. It was kind of hard with hot glue, so I think next time I would just use a fabric glue. And it didn't look super neat because the glue strings and everything, so afterwards I had to clean off the rhinestones with alcohol and shine them. And now here I am about to decorate. I'm basically taking some large rhinestones, AB crystals, and just shaping them in a pattern in the middle of my headpiece. I completely winged it. I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I know I wanted something to hold my hair down. So that was the purpose of making the headband. So I'm just hot gluing everything. I know it looks a mess right now, but on the day of, it turned out pretty fine.
Yeah, I know all I want in life is soca. It's like they want to pay me with this thing they call soca. Look what it do, super, when it hit him harder than soca started killing. Body man, sing soca and living. So my plan is to sing soca until me dead. Oh yo, oh yo, oh yo, oh yo, yo, oh yo, oh yo. It's soca or die. I know why you get confused with my story. This is just things that happen to me and my team, yeah. They try to abuse me loyalty, my friend, why, oh? But good friend better than pocket money. I know all I want in life is soca. It's like they want to pay me with this thing they call soca. Look what it do, super, when it hit him harder than soca started killing. Body man, sing soca and living. So my plan is to sing soca until me dead. Oh yo, oh yo, oh yo, oh yo, yo, oh yo, oh yo. It's soca or die. Soca, I love you.
I love feathers. I don't know what it is, but that's my thing. So I'm basically just taking this little rhinestone chain that I have and I'm placing it on the back, and I'm using a piece of felt to hold it down, but not like another whole strip over it because I didn't want my band to be too thick. So I just used a little piece and I cut that. And what I'm going to do is attach a feather and then put some gems on it so it's kind of, well, the glue and where I started and stopped is kind of hidden. So I have a little dangly feather piece.
With this thing they call soca. Look what it do super when it hit him. Other than soca start to kill him. Body man sing soca and living. So my plan is to sing soca until me dead. Boy yo, boy yo, boy yo, boy yo, yo, boy yo, boy yo. It's soca or die. I know why you get confused with my story. This is just things that happen to me and my team, yeah. They try to abuse me loyalty, my friend, why, oh. But good friend better than pocket money. And now all I want in life is soca. It's like they want to pay me with this thing they call soca. Look what it do.
And lastly, here I am attaching my lycra cord that's going to tie around my head. I'm basically doing the same method that I did with the feather piece and that chain, but I'm doing it on the ends. One thing that I would say I messed up with is I didn't put it far enough on the end, so like a piece was kind of flapping off, which I didn't like, but at the time I just didn't care because the event was literally the next day, and honestly it was gonna rain. I didn't care too much, but I still wanted to be somewhat different. Here's my finished product, Carnival Tiara. I had a great time making it, and up and coming, this was me and my friend at the event. Thank you.
Let's go!